Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today, we're diving into a deep issue: financial corruption. Why does inequality keep growing, and how can Bitcoin fix the system? Let's break it down. The Cantillon Effect, inequality's hidden engine. The Cantillon Effect explains why the rich get richer while the poor stay poor. When governments print money, the first recipients, banks, corporations, and the ultra-wealthy, benefit the most. They get to spend the new money before it devalues the currency. By the time this money reaches the average person, inflation has already eaten away at their purchasing power. This system concentrates wealth at the top and punishes everyone else. How Bitcoin breaks the cycle. On a Bitcoin standard, the rules change. Bitcoin's fixed supply of 21 million coins means no one can print more money out of thin air. Instead of inflating the money supply, Bitcoin rewards productivity and fair exchanges. When you trade Bitcoin, you're trading value for value, your time and energy for someone else's. There's no central authority to manipulate the system for their gain. Everyone operates on equal footing. Today, if a country wants to go to war or bail out big banks, they just go into debt and create more money out of thin air. On a Bitcoin standard, something has to give. They would either have to raise taxes or come up with some other way to raise these funds. Real accountability through transparency. Bitcoin's blockchain is a public ledger. Every transaction is verifiable and permanent. This level of transparency eliminates the secrecy that allows corruption to thrive. Unlike fiat money, where trillions can disappear into shady deals and off-the-books accounts, Bitcoin ensures every Satoshi is accounted for. On a Bitcoin standard, financial dishonesty becomes far harder to hide. A world without financial corruption. Imagine a world where governments can't print money to fund wars or bail out failing corporations. The wealth you earn isn't secretly siphoned away through inflation, and everyone, from billionaires to small business owners, operate under the same fair rules. Bitcoin isn't just a technological innovation, it's a moral one. It's about creating a system where your hard work and time are respected and preserved. Why you should act now. The fiat system thrives on inequality, but Bitcoin offers a way out. By adopting Bitcoin today, you're choosing fairness over corruption. If you're ready to start your Bitcoin journey today, here are some tools to help you get started. River Financial is the most trusted Bitcoin-only exchange. It offers full proof of reserves, ensuring your Bitcoin is secure and not lent out. You can use the Strike app to buy and send Bitcoin easily. Use my referral link for reduced fees. You can use Ledger to protect your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet. Use my referral link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bitcoin has the power to end financial corruption and create a world where money is truly fair. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.